How's it going, guys? This is Al from Al's Auto. Today I'm going to show you something pretty simple: how to replace an air filter on a 2015 Mazda 3. Okay guys, so the reason to put in brand new, clean, nice air filter is one very specific reason, which is the car is supposed to run at a 14.1 air to fuel ratio. Now, when you have an air filter like this, it's not getting that 14.1 air to fuel ratio. This is blocking a lot of air that's coming in, which means that the vehicle has to put in more fuel, which less fuel economy, less power, less everything. So this guy is trash. On the other hand, with a brand new air filter, again, this is going to greatly improve that 14.1 ratio. This is also going to prevent all of the shizness from the outside getting into your engine, which the old one doesn't. Last but not least, this is going to make your engine a lot happier. Trust me. Now, it's up to you guys. You can use gloves if you want to. You don't have to use gloves. I don't use gloves. I don't really care. But if you do use gloves, I recommend going with Diamond Grip. These are the best latex gloves for mechanics. Promise you. Now, first things first, we gotta pop the hood. Right down here. After you do that, there's a little lever down here. Pick this guy up. Hood prop. Bam. Okay guys, now to replace this air filter, you got two clips. Grab it like this. It comes right out. You see that? Nice and dirty. Right, I got this brand new air filter from Pure Later 1. It's your air filter number, guys. And as you can see, there's a huge difference. Now, to put this guy in, it sits nice and flush right there. Wiggle it a little bit. You should just go in right in the tabs. Now, you shouldn't have to struggle to put the clips in, because once it's nice and flush, it'll just sit there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. Again, this is Al from Al's Auto. Leave a like, comment, share, whatever, anything. I'll keep posting some more videos. Let me know if you got any suggestions. I'm out. Peace.